NCTV45, The Train, anytime on your time. Bill's Bake Shop will make you happy. Owner Bill Cast and his staff keep the tradition going with all those bakery items you remember as a kid. Just to name a few, Bill makes cream sticks, cinnamon rolls, bear claws, cream horns, cannoli, cakes, pies, cookies, bread, pizza, and more. You can also buy homemade Cavatelli ravioli. Bill's Bake Shop, located 228 North Liberty Street in the Mahoningtown section of Newcastle, is open Tuesday through Saturday, 7 to 5, and Sunday, 7 to 2, closed Monday. Bill's, where smiles are everywhere. Call 724-654-4223.
Town and country where there's always a party. Yes, every weekend there's something to do, and there's always great food for you too. Lamb, finger food, steak sandwiches, roasted wings, and much, much more. It's a party and you're invited. Come to Town and Country. What's inside? Come on in and take a look at the menu. There's many barbecue delights, ribs, chicken, and much more. Salads of every kind, sides that'll tempt your appetite. And we have eat in or take out at Big J's Hurricane Grill. Maureen and Big J say everybody is welcome. Welcome to NewsWatch. It's a 5th grade walking tour. Yes, Riverside and Ellwood students in 5th grade in those districts will learn about the city and the self-guided tour of Ellwood City by their teacher and stop in at the fire station, police department, mayor's office, Broth manager's office, city council, historical society, library, Legion Park, Methodist Church, and Christ Church. Ellwood City Chamber of Commerce is sponsoring this. If you have any questions, please call them at 724-758-5501 and get more messages. Now, good luck on your walking tour there, guys, and we'll be right back with a whole bunch more after this.